Peacock babies, baby peacocks, peafowl, baby peacock, peacock baby, PDF, 2023. Peacock babies, as general rule baby peacocks are commonly called peachicks. Peachicks are the chicks of any of the three species of peafowl that exist, the Indian peafowl, the Congo peafowl, and the green peafowl. Peacocks are technically only male peafowl, even though the term is commonly used to refer to both male and female peafowl, who are called peahens. What are peacock babies called? Baby peacocks are commonly called peachicks. Peachicks are the chicks of any of the three species of peafowl that exist, the Indian peafowl, the Congo peafowl, and the green peafowl. Peacocks are technically only male peafowl, even though the term is commonly used to refer to both male and female peafowl, who are called peahens. What is a baby peacock called? Peacock babies. What are baby peacocks called? Every enormous and stunning peafowl began its existence as a fairly little peachick, a baby peacock, before growing into its current size and stature. This article contains all of the information you might ever want to know about baby peacocks, so continue reading. What are baby peacocks called? Jump to 10 ways to make money peacock farming. What is the appearance of a baby peacock? Peafowl. It is nearly hard to tell the difference between a peacock and a peahen when they are initially born. They are coated in light brown fluffy down and have striped wing feathers that resemble those of a young pheasant, to which peafowl are extremely closely related and to which they are covered in light brown fluffy down. If you would like to add to your peacock raising library, check out these great books on Amazon. Peachicks have the appearance of game birds, and they are highly similar to baby pheasants. They have relatively long legs as well, with males having significantly longer legs than females, which makes them easier to differ from one another. Some peachicks are born entirely white, like in the case of lucite produced all-white peafowl. What is the size of a baby peacock? Peacock baby. Baby peacocks measure around 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches, in length. Even though peafowl is giant birds, peachicks are also relatively large, around the size of a cygnet or a gosling in terms of size. What is the average weight of a baby peacock? When they are born, peachicks weigh 103 grams, 3.6 ounces. This is a substantial amount of weight, more than double the weight of a duckling and 5 times the weight of a standard pheasant chick, which weighs around 20 grams. What is a group of peacocks called? A group of peacocks is generally referred to as a party or a pride. This bird is India's national bird, and it is protected under the laws of that country. The peacock is known as a sacred bird in Hinduism because the dots on its tail represent the eyes of the gods, which are represented by the spots on the peacock's tail. Why are baby peacocks born without feathers? It is a natural reality that the majority of birds, including peacocks, are born without their whole set of feathers. It is the genetic capability/adaptation of birds that makes them unique and different. But in most of the peacock species, flight feathers are present at the time of birth. Why do chickens and baby peacocks both have blue eyes? 5 eye colors are commonly found in chickens that include the following: brown, gold, red, black, pink, albino. The blue color of the chicken eye is due to a rare genetic defect. Similarly, peacock's eyes also come in multiple colors. The white peacock has blue eyes and colored skin. Leucism is a common genetic mutation that results in a lack of pigmentation. Animals/peacocks suffering from leucism keep their usual eye color. Specifically, it is the feathers that are lacking in coloration. The eye's color is determined by which genes are dominant and which are recessive. The eye color of both chickens and peacocks is mainly controlled by genetics, although other factors such as age, nutrition, and disease can have an impact on the color. When do baby peacocks start walking? After only a few minutes of hatching, the baby peacock begins to walk, or we may say that baby peacocks start walking within 1 hour after their hatching. What sounds do baby peacocks make? Baby peacocks usually make scream, squawk, and honk sounds. The sound of a baby peacock is usually similar to the sound of a human baby crying. Who named the peacock? It is not sure who came up with the name peacock. However, nearly 600 years ago, the bird we now know as the peacock was simply referred to as a poe, though by the late 19th century, the terms pocock, pocock, and peacock had begun to gain popularity. What is the appearance of peacock eggs? Eggs laid by peafowl are typically light brown in color. The eggs of the Indian peafowl are approximately 7.6 to 10 centimeters, 3 to 4 inches, in length and inches wide, and 5 to 7.6 centimeters, 2 to 3 inches, in diameter. They range in weight from 100 to 135 grams. What is the usual number of eggs laid by a peacock? The Indian peacock can lay as many as 11 to 12 eggs in one clutch, with a typical minimum of 3. The green peafowl lays fewer eggs, usually between 3 and 6 per clutch. Similarly, the Congo peafowl lays 4 to 6 eggs. When are baby peacocks able to fly? Peacock usually starts flying after the 8th week. Peafowls are capable of flying and do so frequently. They usually fly for very short distances. Longer flights are used as a last resort for evading predators in certain situations. It is extremely rare for any peafowl to fly more than 1 mile in the distance. On that farm we and our children raised rabbits, chickens, hogs, cattle, goats. View all posts.